Air conditioner. Air conditioner. The air conditioner kept the room cool on hot summer days. Clothes valet. Clothes valet. The clothes valet held his suit and tie neatly for the next day. Bed. Bed. I sank into the soft bed after a long day of work. Cot. Cot. The camping cot provided a simple sleeping solution during our trip. Bedside table. Bedside table. I placed my book and glasses on the bedside table before going to sleep. Bookshelf. Bookshelf. The bookshelf was filled with a colorful array of novels and reference books. Pillow. Pillow. I fluffed up the pillow to make it comfortable before lying down. Dressing table. Dressing table. The dressing table was adorned with makeup and jewelry. Table lamp. Table lamp. The table lamp cast a warm glow across the room as I read. Mirror. Mirror. I checked my appearance in the mirror before heading out for the day. Curtains. Curtains. The curtains blocked out the morning sunlight, allowing for a peaceful sleep. Ironing board. Ironing board. I unfolded the ironing board to press my clothes for the important meeting. Hope chest. Hope chest. The hope chest held cherished heirlooms passed down through generations. Nightstand. Nightstand. The alarm clock on the nightstand helped me wake up on time each morning.